What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Volkswagen Atlas Peak Edition SEL. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. So the Peak Edition is essentially a more rugged version of the Atlas, which has like off-roading tires and a sportier, more rugged appearance, which we'll look at outside. And you also have a Peak Edition badge over here, which looks pretty cool. The seats are also different. You have orange stitching, black and gray two-tone seats. They look pretty good, and they're pretty comfortable seats as well. You have a pretty big screen in here, which I like. And you also have a digital gauge cluster. I really like these newer Volkswagen interiors. They're really nice. Like, I made a video on a 2024 Golf R recently. I like that interior. It was good. This is like the newer shifter in Volkswagens as well. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a backup camera right there. Not 360 though. You also have the newer Volkswagen key fob. Looks good. You have remote start. Pretty big center console storage. I like that. Let's look at the window sticker. 2024 Atlas Peak Edition SEL. Opal white exterior with black leatherette and orange stitching. Even though it's a leatherette, it actually feels like pretty high quality leatherette. So 2-liter TSI 16-valve D08C turbo 4-cylinder, 4-motion all-wheel drive, 4-wheel independent suspension, electric power steering, 18-inch black painted alloy wheels with all-terrain seasoned tires. 50,870 is the base retail price, and this one has the opal white exterior is $395. And you have a few little things here and there. You also have prepaid scheduled maintenance for $275 up to 30,000 miles. The total retail price when it was new was $54,778. 20 miles per gallon combined, 18 city, 24 highway. This also has IQ Drive, advanced driver assistance tech. And I like how even this part's leather. Like, this is a pretty nice interior, and I like the steering wheel. It's like nice high quality leather. You also have paddle shifters as well, and heated seats. You also have heated and ventilated seating function. But you do have the climate controls in the screen, which I'm not a big fan of in these newer Volkswagens, how everything's in the screen. I like to have physical buttons because it's just a waste of time to go through a bunch of menus. But at least it looks good. And you have a sport mode, eco, comfort, custom, off-road, and snow modes. But let's walk around the car now and see what it looks like. You also have pretty good center console storage over there. Like, you have like a floating center console, so you have a bunch of stuff or space to put your stuff over there. Similar to the Acura RDX, that's what that reminds me of. So yeah, opal white exterior. You have a Peak Edition badge on the side. You have rugged tires with black wheels, IQ lights, LEDs. I really like the newer Atlas. I think the Volkswagen Atlas is a nice SUV. It looks good. Here are the rear seats. You have a bench. You also have AC controls for the rear passengers over there. And you have sunshades. Plus you have cup holders in the door. IQ light again. And I like the full light bar on these newer Atlases. It looks good. You also have dual outlet. These are not real exhaust. It's like exhaust garnishes, but it looks good. You also have a tow hitch on this. Here's the trunk with the third row up. You can fold the third row by pulling those little straps. But it looks good, guys. It's a good looking car. And I think this Peak Edition makes it, gives it more character than over a regular Atlas. Or you could get like an Atlas R-Line, which has like a sporty design. The Volkswagen R-Line products look pretty good. It would be cool if they made like a Volkswagen Atlas R. That'd be cool, like a full R model, like a Golf R or something. Because I think that'll be fun, like a performance Atlas. And I think there's definitely a market for those, because a lot of people who buy Volkswagen Atlases keep buying Volkswagen Atlases. Like, Atlases have very loyal buyers from what I've seen. And these newer Volkswagens, as I mentioned, are really nice. I need to drive the new Tiguan because they redesigned the Tiguan and it looks pretty cool, and it has this nice interior. Acceleration's decent. For being a turbo 4, the engine sounds decent as well. It doesn't sound like laggy or anything like that. It has like a deep tone to it. It's probably fake noise, but it's still nice. Paddle shifters are responsive too, which is a good thing to see. And it looks like you can change the views. Huh, that's cool. Peak edition, you have a peak edition gauge when you go like off-roading or whatever. That's nice. You can see a decent amount of stuff. You can change light, so you have 5 different views of what you can have the gauge cluster in. You can have a full map as well if you want to use the maps, kind of like an Audi. Yeah, these newer Volkswagens really feel like an Audi interior, you know? They're very premium. Like if you put an Audi badge on the steering wheel, no one would really be surprised. And the new Volkswagen logo looks good. And this also has like a flat bottom steering wheel, which is cool. Overall, it rides pretty nice. It's a comfortable SUV. Feels comfortable. It does have it's not a very fun car to drive, to be honest. I mean, it's an Atlas. I wasn't really expecting it to be fun, but like, for example, like an Acura MDX is a lot more fun to drive than this. But for like daily driving, if you want to just use this as like a family hauler, or I guess go camping in it and stuff, the Peak Edition is definitely the one to get. If you want to go camping or go on like some rugged trails, take this biking, put your bike on the back and go on some bike trails, the Peak Edition is definitely the one to get for that. Yeah, like if I got an Atlas, I would definitely get an R-Line or a Peak Edition. Because it just looks cooler in general, even if you don't want to use it for any adventurous trips. It looks a lot better than a regular Atlas, with the black trim, the wheels, the tires, and all that good stuff. And those daytime running lights look really good too, as you can see in those windows. But overall, this is a nice 2024 Volkswagen Atlas Peak Edition SEL. Thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Volkswagen Atlas.